As of this first day into April 1st, 19 COVID-19 cases have been confirmed in Kent County, with 2 confirmed deaths. Statewide, 9,334 cases have been confirmed, with 337 confirmed deaths. With the number expected to rapidly rise, organizations and governmental agencies locally and statewide are responding with further measures to combat the virus. Shared in this Wednesday, April 1st update are statements relevant to local life from Governor Gretchen Whitmer, the Rapid, AHC Hospitality, and the City of Grand Rapids. Governor Whitmer signed an executive order today, April 1st, expanding the state of emergency declaration and declaring a state of disaster due to the COVID-19 outbreak. The order recognizes the increased scope of economic, educational, and civic dislocation caused by COVID-19 and equips the administration to further address the devastation caused by the virus. Quote, "Since Michigan announced our first confirmed case of COVID-19 3 weeks ago, we have taken some of the most aggressive measures in the country to mitigate the spread of the virus and protect Michigan families," said Whitmer. "Today's action will allow my administration to respond more effectively to every facet of this crisis. During this time, it's crucial that Michiganders continue to stay home and keep their distance from others. We will get through this together." In addition to issuing the newest executive order, Whitmer sent a letter to Senate Majority Leader Mike Shirkey and House Speaker Lee Chatfield requesting a resolution extending this declared state of emergency and disaster under the new order by 70 days from the date of the resolution. Whitmer's original state of emergency declaration in response to the outbreak was issued on Tuesday, March 10th. More details about the new order are available on the executive order page of the state's website. The Rapid Transit Service announced today, April 1st, that it is limiting capacity to 10 passengers on all Dash buses and 15 passengers on buses serving the Silver Line and other fixed routes. The changes are effective immediately. If a bus is at capacity, it will only stop at requested stops for passengers to deboard and may pass by stops that are not requested by passengers on board. In those cases, an extra bus will be dispatched to pick up passengers at missed stops as quickly as possible. Additionally, if the number of people waiting to board at a particular stop will exceed these ridership limits, some passengers may be asked to wait at the stop for an extra bus to arrive. In an effort to help passengers maintain their social distancing habits, these limits will be strictly adhered to. Quote, "Safety is our number one priority at the Rapid," said Lisa Young, the Rapid's communications manager. "As we work to do our part to get essential employees to work and to pick up needed medications or shop for groceries, we are mindful of the health of our operators, passengers, and public." More details about the service changes is available on the Rapid's website. AHC Hospitality, owner of several downtown Grand Rapids hotels, announced that the JW Marriott is temporarily suspending operations effective today, April 1st. The Courtyard by Marriott and the AC Hotel, also owned by AHC Hospitality, will both temporarily suspend operations on Wednesday, March 25th. Quote, "JW Marriott Grand Rapids is temporarily suspending operations," the JW Marriott shared on their Facebook page. "We look forward to serving our guests and community again as soon as possible." In light of the hotels shutting their doors in response to the COVID-19 outbreak, their services will be consolidated into the Amway Grand Plaza, which will remain open. The Amway Grand Plaza, another AHC Hospitality property, has 664 rooms according to its website. Questions about the JW Marriott's closure can be directed to their phone line at 616-242-1500. The City of Grand Rapids will begin monthly testing of its outdoor sirens Friday, May 1st, 1 month later than normal, it announced today, April 1st. The postponed date is due to the COVID-19 outbreak and the city government's desire to mitigate community anxiety. The sirens warn of tornadoes and other severe weather. Grand Rapids and Kent County traditionally begin testing sirens on the first Friday in April. Testing now will begin in May and continue at noon on the first Friday of the month through October. Quote, the warning sirens alert residents and visitors of an imminent hazard and prompt them to find shelter and seek further information, said Allison Ferroli, the city's emergency manager. Quote, if you hear the city's outdoor sirens before May 1st, that means it's a real tornado warning. More details about the adjusted siren schedule is available on the City of Grand Rapids website. The Rapidian will continue to report on all major local developments related to the spread of COVID-19 and the community's prevention and response methods. Local residents are encouraged at this time to share their own stories and perspectives related to the COVID-19 situation on the Rapidian's platform. This message is brought to you by the Rapidian, GRTV, and the Grand Rapids Community Media Center. Take care of yourself and take care of others.